Evidences of evolution. Do you know why the theory of evolution is so widely accepted? Various questions like how life began on Earth, how various living organisms evolved, were answered by this theory. Various proofs are available in support of the theory of evolution. Come, let us do a detailed study about these evidences. Morphological evidences. Let us study about morphological evidences with the help of a small activity. Activity. Some images of animals and plants are shown over here. Observe these images carefully. Can you find any similarities between them? First, we will observe the images of the animals. Similarities in characteristics like structure of mouth, position of eyes, structure of nostrils and ear pinnae, and thickly distributed hairs on body are seen in these animals. Come, let us now observe the images of the plants. All these plants show similarities in characters like leaf shape, leaf venation, leaf petiole, etc. Thus, from these observations, we can infer that there are some similarities in these two groups, and hence it proves their origin must be same and must have common ancestors. After studying about morphological evidences, let us see how anatomical evidences help to support and study about evolution. Anatomical evidences. Here, structure of bones of human hand, cat's foreleg, flipper of whale, and patagium of bat is shown. When we carefully observe these structures, there doesn't seem any superficial similarity between these structures. Use of each of these structures is also different in respective animals. However, there is similarity in the structure of bones and body joints in organs of each of these animals. This similarity indicates that these animals may have a common ancestor. From this, we can say that anatomical evidences are available in support of theory of evolution. Come, let us find if there are some more evidences to support the theory of evolution. Name some organs present in the body of living organisms. Different vital organs like brain, heart, lungs, small intestine, large intestine, etc. are present in the body of living organisms. Along with these vital organs, many other organs are also present in the body. Have you ever wondered, is each of the organ present in the body useful to the organism? It is not necessary that each organ present in the body of an organism is useful to that organism. In a human body, there are many organs which are not useful to it. For example, appendix, which is attached to the large intestine, is not useful to the human body during digestion or during any other process. In the same way, wisdom teeth, which is present in the mouth along with other set of teeth, does not help in chewing of food and just acts as a non-functional part present in the mouth. If these body parts are not useful to the human body, then why are they present in the body? Come, let us explore about it. Vestigal organs. Degenerated or underdeveloped useless organs of organisms are called vestigal organs. In living organisms, sudden development of new tissues or organs for living in changing environment is not possible. Instead, existing organs undergo gradual changes. Mostly, a specific structure in the body is useful under certain situation. However, same structure under different situation may become useless or even harmful. Such structure begins to degenerate under such situation as per the principle of natural selection. It takes thousands of years for a structure to disappear. Such organs are seen in different phases of disappearance in different animals. Such organ, though non-functional in certain organisms, it may be functional in other organisms. That is, it is not vestigal in other organisms. Appendix, which is useless to humans, is useful and fully functional organ in ruminants. Similarly, muscles of ear pinna, which are useless to humans, are useful in monkeys for movement of ear pinna. Various vestigal organs like tailbone, that is, coccus, wisdom teeth, and body hair are present in the body of human being. In birds, nictitating membrane is an useful and fully developed organ. But the same organ is useless and non-functional in humans. Wings of some birds developed fully, but in the case of kiwi and emu, wings remained underdeveloped. Obtain more information regarding this from the internet. We know that during evolution, changes took place in living organisms. But how can we tell which organisms existed millions of years ago? Come, let us study about the next evidence of evolution to get the answer for this question. Paleontological evidences. The secret of which organisms existed millions of years ago has been hidden in the earth. Large number of organisms get buried due to disasters like flood, earthquake, volcano, etc. Remnants and impressions of such organisms remain preserved underground. These are called fossils. Study of fossils is an important aspect of study of evolution. Carbon consumption of animals and plants stops after death, and since then, only the decaying process of C14 occurs continuously. In case of dead bodies of plants and animals, instead of remaining constant, the ratio between C14 and C12 changes continuously, as C12 is non-radioactive. The time passed since the death of a plant or animal can be calculated by measuring the radioactivity of C14 to C12 present in their body. This is carbon dating method. Introduction to scientists. Carbon dating method is based upon the radioactive decay of naturally occurring C14 and is developed by Willard Libby. He has been awarded with Nobel Prize in the year 1960 for this invention. The age of the materials determined by this method are published in the journal Radiocarbon. The carbon dating method is used in paleontology and anthropology for determining the age of human fossils and manuscripts. Once the age of fossils has been determined by such technique, it becomes easy to deduce the information about other erstwhile organisms. From this, it seems that vertebrates have slowly originated from the invertebrates. Come, let us now proceed to the next evidence of evolution. Connecting links. Every plant and animal shows some unique characteristics. However, some plants and animals show some morphological characters by which they can be related to two different groups. Hence, they are called connecting links. Some images are shown over here. Come, let us observe these images one by one. First image is of peripatus. In peripatus, characters like segmented body, thin cuticle, and parapodia-like organs are present, which are also seen in phylum Annelida. Similarly, these animals also show tracheal respiration, and open circulator systems similar to anthropods. This indicates that peripatus is connecting link between Annelida and Anthropoda. Next image is of duck-billed platypus. This animal lays eggs like reptiles, but shows relationship with mammals too, due to presence of mammary gland and hairs. The next image is of a lungfish. This fish performs respiration with lungs irrespective of being fish. Thus, these examples indicates that mammals are evolved from reptiles and amphibians from fishes. After studying about connecting links, let us now move on to study about embryological evidences. Embryological evidences. To know what is exactly meant by embryological evidences, first we will do a comparative study of embryonic developmental stages of various vertebrates shown over here. From the comparison, we get to know that all embryos show extreme similarities during initial stages, and these similarities decrease gradually. Similarities in initial stages indicate the common origin of all these animals. Do you know who proposed that all species of living organisms have evolved from a common ancestor? Come, let us find about it.